Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking for injury and safety. Quickly scan the rider and breathing, and call emergency services if needed. Once done, move the bike clear of traffic and set a visible hazard to protect others. Make sure to inspect the helmet for cracks and the brake levers for function. This tells you whether it's safe to ride or needs repair. These first actions protect people and preserve evidence for insurance or repair decisions. You now do a systematic damage assessment. Start with the frame and fork for cracks, then check wheel trueness and axle alignment. A bent rim can wreck handling. Next, test brakes and shifting. Cables can pinch or stretch in a crash, so adjust or retension as needed. Once assessed, perform safe temporary fixes. True minor wheel wobbles, tighten loose bolts, patch tires, and use a quick link for a broken chain. These steps get you home or to the shop safely. You finish by carefully testing the bike on a short, slow ride to confirm handling and brake performance. Stop immediately if you feel wobble, grinding, or fade. Once satisfied, document damage with photos and notes for insurance or repair estimates. This speeds up professional help. If any issue persists or you suspect structural damage, do not ride. Instead, secure transport to a bike shop. Troubleshooting tip: if a persistent wheel wobble won't true.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.